client and say, well, I've just got term non-medical, term 10 or term 20, which one do you want? They might be asking themselves, well, what happens when this term is over? I'm still going to need insurance, and I'm sure it's not going to be that easy to get at the age of 75 or 70 or whatever age their attained age will be. So it's very important to be able to offer a wide range of products. One thing that you have to know about Canada Protection Plan is that we're underwritten by Foresters Life. And if you've ever sold any Foresters policies, I'm sure you're aware of what a great insurance company they are. Very strong insurance with great financials, with a huge surplus in their assets, as well as the MCCSR rate is extremely high. I believe it's at 450%. Not only that they're underwritten with a very strong company, but we also get their membership benefits. Now, if you've ever dealt with Foresters, their membership benefits are the best in the marketplace. And we're going to talk about what these membership benefits are and how your clients get them free of charge every time they purchase a policy with Canada Protection Plan. So, as insurance agents, advisors, whatever you want to call yourself, we all face challenges on a daily basis. I know one of the biggest challenges brokers face, for the most part, is they want to see more people. They want to get more meetings. And the more meetings you get, we know what that turns into, more sales. But there is a challenge. Once you sit in front of a client and you find out that they've got a lot of medical issues, what happens? Sometimes it turns into a decline, a postponement, or a rating, which makes it a little hard to get insurance. Obviously, you go back to your client and you say, hey, I'm so sorry you got a decline. What happens at that point? A couple of things usually do happen. Some brokers hand over the decline or notify the clients of their decline, and they move on. They move on to the next clients. But that consumer, that client is still has no coverage. And what's going to happen if you don't offer them a secondary coverage or Plan B coverage, they're going to look elsewhere for coverage. And it's extremely important to be able to satisfy their needs. So that's why we're here today, really to explain to you where non-medical could be a great fit. And we want to overcome these challenges, make your lives a little easier. Another challenge we face as advisors is you'll see the population is aging. It's understood that by age 65, 2/3 of all people in the Canadian marketplace today will have at least one chronic disease. And we'll have seen 7 physicians, which is quite an amazing stat when you think about it. That's 66% of the population that will have one chronic disease in their lifetime. Now, if you've been a broker for a long enough time, you'll start to see